have you been lately? Seeing anyone? It seems like you have lost some weight. I keep wondering how you can be so calm. You didn't care when I say goodbye.
That's because you thought I'm always there for you. Well, I know for sure what you want isn't me. When will you stop overthinking?
When will you ever quit smoking?
I could leave someone I really loved, let alone those cigarettes. Suddenly, why do you care, baby? I just don't wanna stop yet.
A truth needed to be told, a clear fact we both know. There's nothing left but the past.
Why didn't you